In this video, we'll discuss the very concept of assault under law of tort. So, exactly what is the very meaning of assault and how it is being defined by Professor Winfield. So, the very meaning of assault, it is may be called the unlawful laying of hands on another or an attempt to do corporal hurt to another coupled with present ability and intention to do the act. For instance, pointing a pitch of fork to another, shaking one's fist in the face of another, or pointing unloaded gun to another. So all these would be considered as assault. But mere verbal threat is no assault. And Professor Winfield defines assault as an act of the defendant which causes to the plaintiff reasonable apprehension of the infliction of a battery on him by the defendant. It is an offense under section 351 of the Indian Penal Code. And now we'll discuss the ingredients of assault. So, regarding the ingredients of assault, the first one is gesture or preparation constituting a threat or force. So that there was some gesture or preparation by one towards another which constituted a threat or force to be used to that person would be considered as assault. And secondly, all kinds of gesture or preparation causing reasonable apprehension of force. So, whenever that gesture or preparation was as such as to cause a reasonable apprehension of the use of force into another person, then it would be considered as assault. And the third one, that is, if there was a present ability to carry out the threat into immediate execution. So, if there was a present ability on the defendant part to carry out a threat into execution immediately, then it would be considered as assault. So, for example, if a person brandishes a sword at such a distance that it would not be possible to hurt anyone, then it would not be an assault. So, these are the ingredients of assault and how it is being defined by Professor Winfield. And if now we'll go to battery. So, in battery, it consists the touching of another person hostilely or against his will, however slightly it is the actual application of force to the person of another done without jurisdiction in a rude, angry, or revengeful manner. So, the least touching of a man in anger is battery. In order to constitute a battery, there must be actual contact. In the leading case, Wilson versus Pringle in 1987, the Queen's Bench held that for the purpose of battery, the required intention is to touch the person of another unlawfully, and it is not necessary that there should be intention to cause any harm. Thus, throwing water at a person is assault. If the water falls him as intended, it is battery also. Carelessly firing a gun and hitting another is also battery. So, also, it is an offense known as the use of criminal force under Section 350 of Indian Penal Code. And in our next video, we'll discuss the ingredients of battery.